In the heart of the Appalachian forest, old Henry Johnson and his curious grandson Jake stumbled upon a sparkling stream while on their annual camping trip. Mesmerized, Jake reached into the stream, pulling out a handful of shimmering gold flakes. Excitement danced in their eyes as they realized they had struck unexpected fortune. The grandfather grandson duo set up camp, envisioning a future of wealth and luxury. As they continued to extract gold from the stream, word spread, attracting fortune seekers and prospectors to their newfound haven, turning the once serene forest into a bustling hub of dreams and greed. Amid the chaos, Henry and Jake's relationship strained as the weight of newfound wealth and competition crept into their lives. One fateful night, as tensions reached a boiling point, a mysterious stranger appeared at their campfire, warning of the forest's ancient curse that befell those blinded by greed. Ignoring the stranger's caution, Henry and Jake continued their relentless pursuit of gold, unaware that the forest held secrets beyond their understanding. Strange occurrences haunted their camp, whispers in the wind, eerie shadows dancing among the trees, and the distant echoes of a long forgotten melody. The forest seemed to rebel against their greed, the once vibrant landscape turning desolate as their gold filled dreams turned into a haunting nightmare. In the midst of the chaos, Jake fell ill, his young body unable to withstand the strain of their relentless pursuit. Regret etched lines on Henry's weathered face. The mysterious stranger reappeared, revealing himself as the guardian spirit of the forest, tasked with protecting its treasures from those who sought to exploit them. In a moment of clarity, Henry realized the true cost of his actions and pleaded for forgiveness, vowing to return the stolen gold and restore balance to the forest. Guided by the spirit, Henry and Jake embarked on a journey to return the gold to the stream, facing challenges and tests of character along the way. As the last speck of gold returned to the water, the forest began to heal, and Jake's health miraculously improved. The once bustling camp now stood silent, and Henry, humbled by the experience, imparted the lesson of balance and respect for nature to Jake, ensuring the forest's legacy lived on. Through their journey, Henry and Jake discovered that true wealth lies not in material possessions, but in the harmonious balance between man and nature. Greed may bring temporary prosperity, but it comes at a cost that can only be mended through humility, understanding, and a deep respect for the world around us.